In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Yahoo email account without using a phone number. This can be particularly useful if you want to keep your registration more privacy focused or simply avoid sharing your phone details. So let's dive right in. First things first, we'll need to head over to Yahoo's website. To do this, open your web browser and type in yahoo.com. Once you've reached the Yahoo homepage, you'll notice in the top right corner a sign-in button. Click on that and it'll navigate you to where you'll have options to sign in or create an account. Now you'll see another page where Yahoo prompts you to log in. However, as you're here to create a new account, look for the option that says create an account. This is usually right below the login fields and might be highlighted to grab your attention. Click on create an account and we're off to the next step. As you are on the registration page, Yahoo typically asks for information like your first name, last name, a desired email address, password, and so on. But in this particular method, to bypass the phone number requirement, we have a key move. Instead of filling out all the information, look for the option to sign in with another email account, such as a Google account or any other email you might have. This option is often located under or near the standard input fields and might read something like sign in with Google or another email. Choosing this option allows you to leverage your existing credentials from platforms Yahoo accepts, cutting out the need for a phone verification on Yahoo's side. So go ahead and click on Sign in with Google. Once there, it will prompt you to select or log into the Google account you wish to use for your Yahoo ID. This step effectively imports your existing credentials, allowing Yahoo to use the authentication from your other account. Finally, once you've selected or logged into your Google account, Yahoo will set it up as your new email login without the need for a phone number. You'll have access to Yahoo services with this new account. In just a few minutes, you've successfully created a Yahoo email account without entering a phone number. There you have it. You now have a brand new Yahoo email account without having to share your phone number. This process can help when you're looking to maintain a bit more privacy. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!